Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have a box, of course. So this is an unboxing. I did not anticipate getting this doll. She popped up on my Facebook feed, a fellow doll collector that I know pretty well. I've actually sold stuff to her and bought stuff from her over the years. Both of us have sold and bought from each other. So I know she's somebody I feel like I can trust, and she is thinning out her doll collection, and particularly some of her Blythe dolls. And so she had an adorable custom doll, and she threw in a few things. It looks like a stand, and here's the bottom. It's a Blythe stand, always handy. Oh, I did a terrible job on my fingernails. And let's find this little girl. She is a customized Blythe doll. I don't know who the customizer is. Oh, she also threw it. Look how cute this is. These clothes. 2 dresses? Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm not going to mention the seller's name because she's not on YouTube and she's a little bit private. So, but yeah, you know, if you're in the dolly world on Facebook, then you probably know her. She's selling some of her dolls. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Look how cute this is. These are adorable. Thank you so much. So well made. This even has like a little, oh, what is it? Oh, little bloomers. And those are, what do you call it? You put them on your finger when you're sewing. What are those called? I'll put it someplace in here, but it's a thimble. All right, thimble. Super cute. Thank you so much. Always like to have cute clothes. Something else down here. What is this? Oh, that's right. I bought a customized doll, and she also had an extra doll body. And so I said, yes. Oh, look how cute this is. It's so tiny and adorable. And it's so articulated. And I can't remember what this is called. I have no brain. It's very late. It's late in the day. I've been working all day. This is an interesting neck piece. So I don't know if I'm going to, I don't plan on putting it on this particular doll, but I do have some dolls I'm going to be customizing. And this looked really interesting. I've never had anybody with this type of body before. So, oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, this is super cool. Oh my gosh. And this is kind of soft. The bod's a little soft, and then this is harder. The torso is soft. This is very cool. So anyway, I bought this and the customized doll that I'm getting ready to pull out. Make sure. She packaged her really well, looks like. Oh, how sweet is she? Look at those eyelids. I mean, I love rabbits. I love bunnies. And so that was like definitely an appeal for me. And I really liked her face. I like how subtle her sculpting is, but it's subtle but not subtle. And the lips are so cute. I don't have any dolls with these ears. They are attached. The only doll I have with attached ears that are, you know, that you add on yourself is a fairy doll that I customized a while back. But she has pointy ears. But I don't have any dolls with these type of ears. She has this drawing on her back. Looks like a little mermaid. And a turtle. And a fish. These are her pull charms. These are very nice. These are lightweight. They're very pretty. And she has a super cute dress on. And she has, I don't believe this is a Leica body, but it's very similar to one. It might be Leica or Leica. Yeah, it's very similar to a Leica body. And I love those bodies on dolls. She's got really cute blonde hair. Let me pull her thingy out. I don't know if I'm going to redo any of her or not, but I did buy her with the idea that I might do some changing on her. I have a couple of scalps. Not sure if they will fit her or not, but I have a ombre blonde scalp that might look really cute on her. And I don't know about the ears. I'm typically, I'm not a big fan of the big ears, but they just pop off if I don't want them. Let me know what you guys think of the ears. All right, but her face, I love that those little red cheeks and everything. All right, so let's open up her sleepy eyes. All right, so they're already closed. Oh, how pretty. Those are gorgeous. All right. Oh, neato. Oh, the eye make works really smooth. How cute. Blue, side purpley blue. And she's got eyebrows, which again, I don't have a lot of dolls. I have a few customized ones with eyebrows, but not a lot. In fact, it would be cute if I put her hair over like this, maybe with a little clip or something. That would look really cute. But she is adorable. Thank you so much to the seller. I feel like I got a wonderful deal on her. Very, very reasonably priced. And this is just to go to show you guys that when you're part of the doll community and you get to know other doll collectors, it's nice because you can sell to them, they can sell to you. You have this sort of, you know, relationship that you feel comfortable. You're not buying from somebody that you don't know. And yeah, so thank you so much for letting me bring her into my collection. And she's kind of just perfect timing for my birthday, which was a few days ago. Look how cute. All right, you guys, I'd love to know what you think about this doll in general. What do you think about dolls with these big ears? Do you have any customized Blythe dolls? And as usual, please give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a little time with me. Yeah, look at all the goodies I got. Holy cow. I mean, can't even tell you, this was like a massive dealio I got on this. Yeah, have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.